Now I'm going to use strategy tripod to analyze Goldwind Australia. For aspect of entry strategy, Goldwind invested in Australia for fully owned subsidiaries in 2009. Within the decades of development, the company not only cooperating with other Chinese company, but also acquiring others energy company to accomplish their projects.
Wind power is one of the main renewable energy sources in Australia. In 2018, wind power accounted for 7.1% of Australians' total electricity. At the end of 2018, there were 94 wind farms in Australia. Additionally, some competitive companies already entered into the Australian wind power market, like Meridian Energy and Pacific Hydro, which will be the important competitor to Goldwind.
Goldwind Technology is the only Chinese wind turbine equipment manufacturer to obtain the grid connection license from Australia. In recent years, it has successfully completed the development, investment, and construction of 3 large-scale wind power projects in Australia. Stockyard Hill Wind Farm is the largest wind farm of Goldwind. Origin Energy will purchase all of the green power and renewable energy certificates produced in 2030 from the Stockyard Hill project. So the legalized license and experiences are considered as Goldwind's resources and competitive advantages.
From the institutional level, responding to One Belt One Road policy of Chinese government, the cooperation between China and Australia has a good economic and industrial cooperation foundation. Goldwind has partnered with local developers and national and international banks led by the National Australian Bank to achieve long-term financing. So far, Goldwind's Stockyard Hill Wind Farm has received nearly $700 million in project financing from banks.
In conclusion, Goldwind has operated in Australia with wholly owned subsidiary. The main competitive advantage of this company is legalized license and strong operating experience. The wind power industry plays an important role in new resourcing in Australia, and Goldwind has 2 main competitors. Those are Meridian Energy and Pacific Hydro. Additionally, Goldwind cooperates with government from different countries by favorably responding policies, which also lead this company to a favorable developing prospect.